Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about code switching in Indonesia. Stay tuned and keep on watching. According to Romain 1992, code switching can be defined as the use of more than one language, variety or style by a speaker within an utterance or discourse, or between different interlocutors or situations. According to Poplak 1978, there are three types of code switching. First, there is tag switching, which is related to the inclusion of tag. Example, you know, I mean, right? This type of code switching is very simple and does not involve a get command of both language. And then the second type of code switching is the intersential switching, which is at the phrase or sentence level between sentences. For example, I don't want to go anywhere karena aku mau bikin tugas. The first sentence is in English and the following sentence in Indonesia. And the last is the intrasentential one. This type of code switching is explained by the high probability of violation of scientific rules as well as the requirement of a great knowledge of both grammars and how they map into each other. So, why people use code switching? According to Hoffman, 1991, classified the reasons to do code switching into 7 points. They are as follows. The first is talking about a particular topic. A speaker feels free and more comfortable to express their emotions, excitement, or even anger in language that is not their everyday language. The second is quoting somebody else. Regarding this reason, Hoffman suggested that people sometimes like to quote a famous expression or sign of some well-known figure, being emphatic about something. Usually, when someone who is talking using a language that is not his native tongue suddenly wants to be emphatic about something, as Hoffman stated, he or she either intentionally or unintentionally will switch from his second language to his first language. Interjection. Regarding the reason, Hoffman suggested that language switching and language mixing among bilingual or multilingual people can sometimes mark an interjection or sentence connector. It might happen unintentionally or intentionally. Repetition used for qualification. About this reason, Hoffman said that when a bilingual wants to clarify his or her speech so that it will be understood more by the listener, he or she can sometimes use both of the language that he masters saying the same utterance. And then intention of clarifying the speech content for interlocutor. When a bilingual person talks to another bilingual, as suggested by Hoffman, it was meant that there will be lots of code switching and code mixing that occur. It means making the content of his or her speech run smoothly and can be understood by the hearer. And the last is expressing group identity. The way of communication of academic people in their disciplinary groupings are absolutely different from other groups. Now, take a look in the analysis of code switching and code mixing in Indonesia in one of the TV programs.
Masih bayi kali ya kalian ya? I don't think they're even born yet when we were on
I don't think so too.
music television.
Do you know MTV? Yes,
Do
okay.
you know MTV? They know MTV, they just don't know us. But you know,
It's okay.
sama Sonia dari tahun 98, we start working together 98, 99 and onwards, right? 2000.
Don't mention the years.
But you guys don't age. What do you do? Especially this guy.
I age a bit.
No, you don't.
You don't see the gray
What do
hair?
you use
There's
on
like
your
gray hair in here
face?
somewhere.
You don't have gray hair.
No, we don't talk about gray hair. And you?
Of course not. What? I am forever 24. Untung gak di-chat kemarin.
Me
So
too.
tell me about this fascination. What
Sarah Sehan as the host in this video with the guests from Los Angeles and Thailand. The host speaking in English while in the conversation with the guests. because the girls do not understand Indonesian language well. But she also switched English language into Indonesian language in order to give repetition for the audience that might be not understand what the guest said. The type of code switching in this video is intersentential code switching. One sentence in a language is followed by a sentence in other language. Switching is also used to create sense of meaning.
Hey, you're tall.
I am
I think you got taller.
Yes, because ini ada sepatu aku jadi tinggi. Gara-gara aku jadi tinggi.
Hello.
I know, right?
It also used to minimize cultural differences.
Apa?
Apa kabar? Can you, Sonia?
That's it. That's all I say too.
What? How? Can you?
Apa kabar?
Apa kabar? And then I'll teach you this. You said, apa kabar? Sarah kece banget. Okay?
Salah basic banget. No?
Here in this video, the guest is a native speaker. They spoke Indonesian to communicate with the audience for minimize cultural differences between them and the audience. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.